Welcome back to the Nasal Expert Nanocare channel. Today, we will explore how to effectively use nasal sprays and drops, types of nasal sprays and drops, saline solutions. These solutions are often used for general nasal hygiene, helping to moisturize and clear nasal passages without the use of medication. Medicated options. Explore various medicated nasal sprays designed to address specific issues such as congestion, allergies, or sinusitis. Correct usage techniques. Pre-cleansing. Before using any nasal spray, it's recommended to employ the Nanocare Nasal Rinse Kit. This pre-cleansing step removes mucus, creating optimal conditions for the medication to be effective. Step-by-step guide. Begin by ensuring your hands are clean. Wash them thoroughly with soap and water. Positioning. Stand or sit upright, keeping your head in a neutral position. It helps if you tilt your head slightly forward. Clear nasal passage. Before using the Nasal spray, it's recommended to pre-cleanse your nose using a Nasal rinse kit, such as Nanocare. This step helps remove mucus and creates an optimal environment for the nasal spray to work. Shake the bottle. Shake the nasal spray bottle gently. This ensures that the medication is well mixed and ready for use. Prime the pump. If it's the first time you're using the spray, or if you haven't used it for a while, you may need to prime the pump. Follow the specific instructions provided with the Nasal spray. Hold the bottle. Hold the Nasal spray bottle with your thumb at the bottom and your index and middle fingers on either side of the nozzle. Ensure a firm grip. Aim away from the septum. Position the nozzle in your nostril, aiming it away from the nasal septum, the cartilage in the middle of your nose. This helps avoid irritation. Breathe out. Exhale gently and then close the opposite nostril by pressing it with your finger. This step ensures that the medication goes into the intended nasal passage. Spray with a gentle breath. As you start to breathe in slowly, press down on the pump to release the spray. Ensure a gentle, controlled breath to avoid inhaling the medication into your lungs. Repeat for the other nostril. If your doctor or the instructions recommend using the spray in both nostrils, repeat the process for the other side. Avoid blowing your nose immediately. Refrain from blowing your nose immediately after using the nasal spray. This allows the medication to settle and work effectively. Clean the nozzle. After use, wipe the nozzle of the nasal spray with a clean tissue or cloth to prevent contamination. Always follow the specific instructions provided with the nasal spray, and if you have any concerns or questions, consult with your healthcare provider. Common mistakes to avoid. Misuse and overuse. Using nasal sprays too frequently or sharing them can lead to several risks. Overusing nasal sprays, especially those containing decongestants, may result in rebound congestion, where the nasal passages become more congested when the medication is stopped. Sharing nasal sprays increases the risk of spreading infections, as it introduces bacteria or viruses from one person's nasal passages to another. It's essential to adhere to prescribed dosages and avoid self-medication without consulting a healthcare professional. Tips for safe and effective use. Consistency and storage. To ensure safe and effective use of nasal sprays, it's crucial to maintain consistency in following the recommended dosage. Deviating from the prescribed amount may lead to inadequate relief or potential side effects. Additionally, proper storage is essential. Store nasal sprays in a cool, dry place, away from direct sunlight and extreme temperatures. Check the expiration date and discard any expired or unused medications. Storing nasal sprays correctly preserves their efficacy and ensures optimal performance. Boosting immunity, diet, and exercise. A balanced diet and regular exercise play a pivotal role in supporting immune system enhancement. Nutrient-rich foods, including fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins, provide essential vitamins and minerals that contribute to a robust immune system. Regular physical activity helps regulate immune function and reduces the risk of chronic diseases. Adequate sleep is also crucial for immune health. Together, these lifestyle factors contribute to a resilient immune system, reducing susceptibility to infections and enhancing overall well-being. Always consult with a healthcare professional before making significant changes to diet or exercise routines. Nanocare Solutions. Nanocare Nasal Rinse Kit. Nanocare Nasal Rinse Kit. A vital part of daily nasal care, this kit pre-cleanses nasal passages, creating an optimal environment for effective nasal spray use. Personal protective equipment. Nanocare masks provide superior protection against airborne particles with cutting-edge filtration technology. They offer a comfortable design, ensuring a snug fit without sacrificing breathability. These masks are reusable and washable, promoting eco-friendliness and cost-effectiveness. Some models include nasal seal technology for an extra layer of protection around the nose. We hope this guide helps you use nasal sprays and drops more effectively. Remember, pre-cleansing your nose and using products correctly are key to maintaining optimal nasal health. Like and subscribe to our channel.